Go ahead and we're going to check out Deborah's shop next. And Deborah has DH War Studio. So 3 items here, kind of some of the same things, Deborah. I think putting your photo there would help a little bit. Logo is good start for the logo. You're welcome, Lena. And now, but you do need to get some shop policies here. You got a nice little announcement there, so that's important. Let's see. I misunderstood my listings. I think I have 10 photos under each of the 3 listings. There are so many selling house drawings. I'm in an ocean. It will be difficult to stand out, and many are digital, not hand-drawn. I only started creating my shop on Monday and took it live yesterday. This week, watching the program has been amazing. Love it, Deborah. Glad you liked it. I swear I saw somebody doing a house drawing product just last week. It wasn't you. It must have been somebody else that did this. I think it's a really cool gift. Man, custom house drawing. Yeah, must have been someone else. So let's check it out. I think you're definitely right. There's a lot of people selling this. Custom house portrait. Let's look at this. I would have shop name darker than subtitle. Don't know what you mean. Beautiful. Okay, so custom house portrait. There's definitely a lot of it's not too terribly competitive though. Only 8,900 results. I think there's definitely a lot of opportunity. It's just about getting your products out there and getting them to show up. Custom house portrait, housewarming gift, wedding or anniversary gift, realtor closing gift. I like that one. That one's really a clever keyword. So I would say you definitely kind of got a good understanding of the shop, the keywords, because you've got a lot of great keywords here. Realtor closing gift. I like that one a lot. That one's real clever, real clever. Original pen and ink hand-drawn illustration. So all good keywords there. Now, I think what I would recommend was that you actually, if you had a video with a time lapse of you actually drawing this, I think that would be so cool, because then it would show that you are really, really legit. Because if you look over here, a lot of these other ones, we know they're not actually hand-drawn. Like this one, I think a lot of these are just digital art where they're just doing a digital filter over top of the photo, and it's not hand drawn. This is just I think someone just did a digital photo and that's all they did. But on this one, yours looks pretty legit, and I'm assuming that you're really gonna draw this out. So if you had and I like the format of it, the right here, 26, 29, Mockingbird Lane, really, really cool. So yours is great. I would show a video, because you can do videos. Make one of your videos showing you hand drawing it and really, really making it, because then people are going to be much more willing to pay your $100 price point. And it makes it, cool. You ever walk down the sidewalk in like a touristy area and there's somebody drawing faces or painting faces and stuff? People stand around and watch it. It's so interesting to just see it come to life. And, when normal people like me look at that, we're like, I don't know how your hand just created this thing. It's incredible. So I would highly recommend showing a video of you making one of your drawings and showing the process. My hands are old. No worries, Deborah. There's nothing wrong with that. If your hands are old, it just adds some character, and it just makes us understand that it takes a long time to become a master home drawing hand drawer to make these beautiful portraits here. So I think the realtor gift is a great idea. You could actually advertise these to realtors. If you use Facebook, you could probably actually run an ad targeting real estate agents so that they could use this as a gift. But overall, it's such a great idea. I didn't think of these as a gift before, but I think it's definitely, you know, a good idea there. I would say add more of your products here. Get more of your listings here, and then renew them. And you'll just have to figure out what photos are going to get you the most attention, and you can get some ideas here. You know, and you could do this photo, but with your actual real hand. I wouldn't be embarrassed or ashamed about your hand there. If you know it. I feel like at this point in time, everyone's seen so many stock photos. We can kind of tell when something's a real photo and a stock photo. And I can kind of tell this hand is a stock photo. This is not the artist's real hand. And also, I don't even believe they really drew this. I believe it's a computer. So I think if you put your real hand in there, your real hand, it would probably be noticeable. And they'd probably be like, this person really drew this thing. You know, they probably did it. So just some suggestions there. I would say you just got to figure out how to get your product to stand out and to look real legit. You know, and that's one of the different ways you could do it to make it kind of stand out. Just some ideas, some creativity for you there.